Hello, it's John, your pronunciation and accents coach, and right here you can get a better British accent. Now, you know, received pronunciation, or RP, is the accent I get asked about the most. It seems like there's huge demand for people to speak RP, especially contemporary RP. Now, if you're not sure what RP really is, then go and check out my videos on conservative RP, mainstream RP, and contemporary RP for a general overview of the accent and their features. One of the features of the accent that you need to get right is the TH sound. Now, the TH sound can be pronounced in two different ways. It can be a th or a the sound. Today we're going to look at both of these sounds and how to pronounce them perfectly every time you say a word with the sound in it. So in today's video, we are going to look at how to produce the TH sound, and at the end of the video, I'll give you a top tip or a piece of advice on how to say it every single time. Let's go! So I'm going to break down the process of saying the TH sound into 3 stages. Stage 1. Stage 1 is forming the sounds in your mouth. I'm going to divide the two sounds into sound 1 and sound 2. Sound 1 is a th sound and sound 2 is a the sound. Sound 1. To produce sound 1, place your tongue in between your teeth, as if it was a tongue sandwich. Delicious. Next, blow out the air. There should be air passing through. That is how to say sound 1. By the way, the phonemic symbol for this sound is this. Okay, let's move on to sound number 2. Sound number 2 is where you also have to make a tongue sandwich. But this time you need to make something like an sound at the same time. I know it looks weird, but I have to do it. The phonemic symbol for that sound is... Okay, let's move on. Stage 2 is putting the sounds in words so you can hear the isolated words. Now, a while ago, I made a video on the t, tr, th, and thr sounds. So I thought we could use the video and I'll show you the words from the video and how to pronounce them. Thought, taught, thigh, tie, thorough, tough, thistle, thirst, throughout, trout, though, toe. Also featuring sound 2, we have altogether, whether, they, and then. Stage 3. Once you have identified words with this sound, you need to start saying them in connected speech. In connected speech, it's connecting all the language together so we sound naturally and we can start saying sentences and having conversations with the sound pronounced properly. The thirstier I get, the tougher it is to try and quench my thirst. The thirstier I get, the tougher it is to try and quench my thirst. Throughout the 3rd month, I'm very thorough at thinking about what I've been taught. Throughout the 3rd month, I'm very thorough at thinking about what I've been taught. By the way, I have a video on everything you need to know about connected speech. The link is in the description. This is only one aspect of RP that I'm covering today, so please subscribe to the channel if you want to see future videos of mine connected with all different types of accents, including RP. And now, today's top tip or my good piece of advice. Firstly, let's answer a simple question. Why is the TH sound important when speaking with an RP accent? The simple answer is to speak proper RP, you can't drop sounds, like in other accents. You need to pronounce the TH sound every single time. For example, in Cockney, you could get away with saying a F and a V sound for a th and a th sound. But in RP, you can't. The other point is, don't drop sounds so that you have crystal clear pronunciation every single time. Stay connected. See you later. Over and out. Bye.